Sharks have long been portrayed as vicious predators, thanks to movies like Jaws. However, statistics show that the danger they pose to humans is often exaggerated. In fact, in 2001 there were only 76 unprovoked shark attacks on humans worldwide, whereas around 150 people die each year from falling coconuts. Nevertheless, many people still fear these creatures, and teams from around the world have developed a variety of anti-shark gadgets, including the one you see on your screen. The 300 gadget is a revolutionary product that promises to create a 2.5 by 1 meter electromagnetic field, causing sharks to suffer uncontrollable muscle spasms. Weighing just 250 grams and easily worn on the belt, this gadget has a maximum operating depth of 100 meters. Not only is this technology the most effective in the world, it also works on stingrays, without disturbing whales or dolphins. The company specifies that it's a great way to protect yourself in the water without harming the marine environment. A local startup in the United Arab Emirates recently showcased their latest innovation, a hoverbike. The presentation garnered the attention of government officials who hailed it as a cutting-edge solution for emergency services. This 300-kilogram vehicle has the capability to rise to 20 meters and accelerate up to 80 kilometers per hour, thanks to its 230-horsepower Kawasaki racing engine. With a full tank, it can be used for 40 minutes, making it perfect for delivering cargo, reaching emergency patients, or assisting rescuers. The startup is currently refining the vehicle with plans to open a production facility in the UAE. The estimated cost for one of these hoverbikes is a whopping $700,000, but the potential for saving lives and improving emergency response makes it worth considering. The latest advancements in space technology have brought us the Terran 1 rocket, the first methane-fueled rocket to reach the conventional boundary between the atmosphere and outer space in the West. What's more, this almost fully 3D printed rocket boasts 85% of its parts being printed so far, with plans to reach 95%. It's even been recognized as the largest object ever created with a 3D printer. While the overall figure for commercial launches exceeds $1.6 billion, the Terran 1 rocket offers a more affordable solution. It can be built in just a couple of months and has a payload of 1,250 kilograms, perfect for tasks in low Earth orbit. Although the rocket's launch on March 23 was unsuccessful due to a second-stage engine failure, the Terran 1 rocket still holds great promise for future space exploration. From scientific breakthroughs to world-class engineering, the creators of this innovative robot spared no expense. What used to look like a platform with legs has now evolved into a full-bodied machine with a torso, arms, and even a head. One of the standout features is its knee joints, which bend backwards to allow the robot to walk on rocks and grass, and even squat confidently. But this robot isn't just for fun, it's also designed for work. In fact, it can be used in warehouses and for deliveries, carrying boxes up to 16 kilograms and working seamlessly alongside its mechanical colleagues. With the ability to work for up to 16 hours at a time, this robot can even replace 2 human employees if necessary. While the price tag may be in the 6 figures, the approximate cost of an hour's work including all expenses is just $25. This robot is truly a game changer in the world of automation. Let's take to the skies and get a closer look at Cirrus Aviation's aircraft. These guys know what they're doing. Just take their State Route 22, one of the most popular single-engine private jets, as an example. And their other models are just as impressive. One of the reasons for their success is the parachute system that can save the plane from a spin or help in the event of technical difficulties. In fact, there have been cases where it has saved the lives of pilots and passengers. Check out this footage from Brazil where everyone emerged unscathed. And the performance of these planes is not too shabby either. The SR-22T model can reach heights of up to 7,620 meters, with a cruising speed of 395 kilometers per hour and a payload of 565 kilograms. Plus, with air conditioning and a leather interior for passenger comfort, it's the ultimate in luxury. The price tag? Around $820,000. Introducing a revolutionary way to take flight. This innovative development hailing from Germany combines the best of both worlds, a drone and an airship. Powered by helium, this hybrid aircraft is scalable and versatile, perfect for a wide range of tasks, from patrolling to assessing the condition of bridges. The Zero version can soar through the skies for up to 120 minutes and carry loads of up to 500 grams, while the Kite version can lift up to 3 kilograms to an impressive altitude of 200 meters. These drones can fly autonomously and are compatible with 4G, 5G, and SATCOM. For those who want to reduce their carbon footprint, the aircraft can even be powered by solar panels. Plus, they're available in customizable versions with no size limitations. It's no surprise that one of the manufacturer's partners is the International Civil Aviation Organization. Are you ready to take your flying game to the next level? Imagine having a household robot at your beck and call. Well, it's no longer just an imagination. Meet the Interbot Evo X, the world's first commercial household robot created by a team of tech enthusiasts. They have already been featured in Forbes, and their project has raised more than $330,000 through Kickstarter. That's 33 times more than their original goal. The first robots are set to roll out to customers in the second quarter of this year, and they are worth the wait. The Interbot Evo X is equipped with built-in speakers and a Harman Audio EFX sound system, allowing you to chat with your new robot friend. Additionally, its sensors and 4K cameras enable the robot to supervise its surroundings, alerting you when someone has fallen or started crying, while keeping small children and pets out of danger. About the size of a soccer ball, the Interbot Evo X can travel up to 1.5 meters per second, and the price starts at just $570. With its impressive capabilities and affordable price point, it's no wonder this team has been making waves in the tech world. Are we alone in the universe, or could there be life on other planets? While we may not know for sure, Mars rovers like Perseverance are on a mission to find out. Since 2021, Perseverance has been exploring the Red Planet and has already traveled more than 12 kilometers. Back on Earth, scientists are developing even more advanced rovers like the Sherpa TT. This impressive prototype has already demonstrated its capabilities in a German sand mine and the Moroccan desert. It's so fast that it covered a distance of 500 meters in less than 3 hours, surpassing Perseverance's speed. Though it did have some trouble with navigation in the Moroccan desert, it still managed to travel over a kilometer and even identified some interesting rocks worth photographing. Who knows what else we may discover in our search for extraterrestrial life? If you enjoyed the video, please subscribe to the channel, like and leave a comment. Bye.